Nikki Bella looked drop-dead gorgeous in a sheer plunging gown at the Creative Arts Emmys with her beau, Artem Chigvintsev. Nikki Bella, 37, sure knows how to make a statement, and that's exactly what she did when she arrived at the Creative Arts Emmys on September 12. Nikki's boyfriend, Artem Chigvintsev, was nominated for Outstanding Choreography for Variety or Reality Programming for Dancing with the Stars, but it was Nikki's gorgeous dress that truly stole the show. Nikki opted to wear a stunning brown gown with a halter neckline that was plunging on the front, revealing her toned abs. The entire bodice of the dress was sheer, revealing her chest underneath, while the back of the dress was completely cut out. The gown was cinched in at her tiny waist, while the rest of the skirt was poofy and had ruffled layers. She topped her look off with a slicked back low bun and a bright red lip. The Total Divas star posted a video of herself posing in the dress with the caption, "How you walk into the Emmys Creative Arts when your love is nominated." Later on, she posted a slideshow of photos from the event with the caption, "So proud of my love at Artem C. He didn't win, but goodness, forever and always he will be an Emmy-nominated choreographer. What a dream. So well deserved." She continued the post writing, "I felt so special being his date tonight and watching my love sparkle. Goodness, he's so talented. Love you, click. And congrats at Derek Huff, you are so talented, as well as you at Haley. Gerber, two gorgeous people inside and out. But watch out next year, Derek smile, I got a man on a mission, Lolo, and thank you at Natalie Setti for styling us. Here's to more styling events together." Related gallery. Nikki Bella and Artem Chigvintsev, pics of the couple.